Today on Frugal It Out, I'm going to teach you how to make these window boxes out of old shutters, old vinyl shutters. So a piece of wood on the side, and then underneath is white vinyl fencing. So hopefully they will last a very long time. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do, if you happen to have laying around like I do, old shutters and vinyl fencing, what you're gonna do, the bottom piece here, I'll drill holes in it so it can drain, but we're gonna cut this piece of vinyl board right off down there. And then also, we measured our side pieces of wood that will fit just right here. And we'll cut that here in a second. We'll chop off this little tiny piece of plastic and then we'll screw it and it'll fit right in. Put one on the front, and that's how we get started. We're gonna go cut our wood. So I've made all my cuts, and now I'm gonna do some water draining holes in my base piece here. I'm gonna do 4 holes total, pretty wide hole, so it can drain pretty well. I'll put landscaping fabric in it so the dirt doesn't fall out. But I'm gonna go all the way through, and that way my water can drain. So right here, I'm just using these pliers to pop off this extra piece of plastic so that, sorry, this can fit right in, flush up against it. You'll see that little plastic piece will pop out of the way. So I'm part of the way done. I have my front side. And I use my washers, and I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Work them on, and put the front side on next. It's really narrow, if you've noticed, because it is so long. I didn't want it to be extremely heavy. So I figured there'd be enough dirt and root length for the flowers to be able to grow just fine. All right, we got the window boxes up. Chris hung them for me. Let's go in and take a look. So here it is. You can see my supports we put into the stud. We had to drill through the stucco, so you need like concrete drill bits to get it through. I'm gonna paint this and put a flat piece over here, just so it looks nicer on the side. Scratch that. I should have just done them like I did the first one. Make your side pieces longer, your base pieces shorter. Duh. But you can tell I just watered, and my drip holes are doing lovely, letting the water drain out. I'll have to do a before or an after picture once all my flowers have gone crazy. I wanted to give you a close-up on what I used for my supports. So as you can tell, these are shelving pieces you can get at Lowe's or Home Depot. And I figured out the weight limit, and I forget, but I knew that 3 would be plenty to have, even though this is super heavy when it's filled with dirt and water and plants. Yeah, so we just used shelving boxes, and then we screwed this piece into the wall as well, just to be careful. You could even put a screw right here if you want to, but I didn't want to. I still need to paint so it blends in with the house, but I love that it's removable. I can take the whole box down if I want to, but it's not that tall. I can plant pretty easily next year, just right inside there. But I just wanted to show you the bottom support system. It was the absolute most frugal option. Of course. I looked at everything in the store that I could possibly hang a really heavy window box with, French cleats, all that, but the best frugal option were these little shelving pieces. They were only a couple bucks, so here is my after. Yay! I love window boxes. I hope you enjoyed this window box tutorial. Please hit subscribe below. Watch some of our other videos so you can figure out how to frugal out anything in your house. Mostly. A few things. We're getting there. Eventually we'll frugal out everything.